All right. Hey, YouTube. This is Wild Ass back again. As y'all can see here, it's a red velvet ant. One of the rarest insects in Texas. And they're one of the few insects that got the top 5 most painful stings, and these guys are ranked number 4 for most painful sting. Just like Coyote Pierce, y'all seen that video where he got stung by one of these guys, and believe me, it's very painful. And y'all, as y'all can see how I got the name Red Velvet, because y'all can see that coloration right there, that velvet red. And turn her around so y'all can see the full body. Yep. And she's definitely one of the most beautiful insects I ever did see. Just got from Tom Bass Park like about 3 hours ago. And she's definitely a beautiful insect. And she's big too. Just about the size of my pinky. And it's definitely an insect you want to avoid picking when it's definitely angry. And here's a fact, is that only the females of these species have stingers. But the males don't got stingers. But the males can fly. And this one's a female, as you can see. Only the male have wings and the females don't. Yeah, and she, as y'all can see, she is totally relaxed, which is pretty good. I'm not going to stick my hand up in there. In fact, y'all don't want to be picking them up. Just observe them, take pictures, or if one of y'all is an insect collector, take my advice. Take some gloves, tinsels, and a small container like this one right here. Oh, she's moving around right now. As y'all can see, yeah, she's a very beautiful specimen. And y'all don't often find them around much, because these guys do spend most of their time on the ground in burrows made by other ants or other wasps. They're even sometimes being crawfish holes just to avoid predators. And y'all can also find these guys as north as Connecticut and as south as Florida and Texas, like in Houston, everywhere. You can also find them up in forest areas, parks, even in the deserts, like in Arizona and in Amarillo, Texas. And they really are just a beautiful insect. So stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully, we're going to find some more incredible animals that we can find here in Texas. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel Wild Exhibitions and